to show you how you can use this URL forwarding feature. But before that, I want to show you the benefits of this URL forwarding feature. So the best benefit that I have ever seen is that, for example, I have created 10 pages. 10 pages, let's say the URL is sb.flexifunnels.com/123. And in that URL, I have created similar types of URLs like 123, 245, 567. Basically, I've made all kinds of URLs, about 10 to 15 of them, and I want all these domains, all these URLs that I've created, to redirect to my main page, FlexiFunnels.com. So I just need to enable this particular feature and you're good to go. For example, if I was running a campaign quite a while ago on sb.flexifunnels.com/abc, and now that campaign is over and I want to redirect that page to my main page, FlexiFunnels.com, you just need to quickly paste that URL over there and you're good to go. So automatically, when someone searches sb.flexifunnels.com/123, that person will be redirected to FlexiFunnels.com where they can see the current updates because we update that page on a daily basis. So this is one of the amazing features that you can use for your business or your services as well. And apart from this, you can also see a lot of benefits here. SEO and branding, visibility for marketing campaigns, resource management, adaptability and flexibility, tracking analytics, link management, security, a lot of features are included. Okay, so this is one of the major things we're solving, because if you go to the market and search for this particular feature, it will cost you some amount of money, and even if you get it, you'll have to pay for it. If you enable it for the free version, you'll also have to write some kind of script on your end. If you're a coder, that's fine, but if you're not, then you'll have to buy it. So those are the two options. But the third and best thing we've done inside FlexiFunnel is that you can use this feature within FlexiFunnel and redirect your URL to any page you want. So let me quickly go to that editor page and show you how you can use this particular feature. Let's take an example. I'm going to this page you're in. This is the project URL. I'm opening this page, and this is the page I've created, and I want this page to redirect to my main page. Let's use FlexiFunnels.com as an example. So what you need to do in this editor is look for the settings option. Now click on it, and inside, you'll see this URL forwarding feature. So click on the redirect option. First, you need to enable the toggle. And I want my page to redirect to this particular page. So click on this, copy this URL, and paste it here. When I click the Save button and then publish the page. Now, how will this work? When I click on the published URL, it will redirect me to this page URL on FlexiFunnels because I have enabled the forwarding feature. So this is the best thing you can do. To save time, you don't need to do any other kind of editing. Save the templates and paste them again over there. You don't need to do that. You just need to add this particular feature to your page and you're good to go. So now I'm clicking on the published URL. It'll take me to FlexiFunnels.com. So this is how we've built it for you. You can use this as much as you want and wherever it's needed. That's everything about the URL forwarding feature. Thank you so much.